Wow, so look at this incident that happened. So weird. Never seen this before. Go in this plaza a lot, this Kroger. Look at her behind me. She like drives behind me, cuts me off. Or she doesn't want to wait, so she drives in the other lane. She's driving behind these businesses, just fucking crazy. So I honk at her, and now she's gonna be really pissed. She comes on the other side of the businesses, and she flicks me off. You can't really see it here, but she's, oh, okay. Okay, you want to be crazy, right? Why are you flicking me off for? Why? I didn't mean no harm. I didn't mean no harm.
Hi, Mom. I'm at the McDonald's. There's this guy who cut me off.
I cut you off?
Followed me to the McDonald's, and now I'm looking at him right in front of my car when I walked outside.
How'd I cut you off? I have a dash camera.
Should I call the police?
You can call the police.
And now he's answering my question. Do I'm talking to you?
I have a dash camera. You cut me off.
I'll make sure to use it.
Crazy people.
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know. My voice sounds kind of sick. I've been dealing with some sickness and my throat feels a little weird, but I'm over here trying to talk to this girl, give her a chance.
You can call the police if you
and
want.
enjoying my McDonald's fries. And she's on the phone with her mom, and her mom is probably freaking out, like, oh my God, yeah, get a picture of his license plate. But she drove stupid like that. Fucking crazy, impatient. You don't drive like that. You drove like that to get some shitty ass iced coffee. Wow. You don't care about nobody but yourself. You shouldn't be allowed to drive.
If you do not leave me alone, I'm going to call the police and report your license plate number.
You can call the police.
That's just fucking hilarious. You know, this is people who probably get away with everything in life or think nothing is ever gonna come back to them. So they carry on doing all this stuff and never get confronted. So when they do, they're shook. They're like, what? What? I never thought this was gonna happen. So, you know, I hope she's thinking about it. I hope it ruined her day, whatever. I don't care. Hope it ruined her day. And hope she's gonna think about it from now on. Oh, if I do this, if I drive stupid, someone's gonna confront me. You gotta be careful. You know, you gotta be careful. You don't know who you're gonna piss off. On top of that, you're the one in the wrong. You're driving crazy. You're the one breaking the laws. You're gonna hurt somebody.